Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create master pages in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come here at the top, click on Window, click here on Layout, and make sure Pages is actually toggled on. This will open up the Pages panel on the left hand side, and if it doesn't automatically open up, just click here on Toggle Pages panel to go ahead and open it up. And then here you'll see Master Pages. And to create a master page, just click on this icon to add a master. Then you can select your label, you can choose a tag, you can go ahead and choose your layout, whether you want it to be a page or a spread as well. You can choose the size and dimension preset here as well. You can go ahead and adjust these as well, right? So I'll stick with the portrait orientation. I'll just click here on OK. And now we have our master. And anything you go ahead and add here, let's do a star shape with this fill. And if I come to create a new page, so you can see it allows me to use that master. Really that easy. And that is how to create master pages in Affinity Studio.